So this is a big welcome to the country, young man. Our first winter out here, and we get hit with one of the worst snowstorms in recent history, right? So I'm just going to spend the day now cleaning up the shit, the mess everywhere. You're not going to be able to hear it because of the motor, but there's just cracking trees all around me still. Even though we're thawing, there's a lot of melt. We are still having trees fall everywhere. So I've already done some clearing. This part of the road is okay, right? So you can see what I'm coming up to now. Starting to see more and more trees down on the roadway, around the roadway. This is where the biggest thing was. I've got a lot of it cleared out already. I'll have pictures up soon. They'll show what it looked like. But see, now I've got all this shit that I've got to pull out of the way. And again, best purchase so far that I've made was my Makita 20-inch chainsaw.